We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Dleouly Anime Neon Sign, a red cloud-shaped LED neon light designed for wall decor, especially popular among gaming and anime enthusiasts. This product has received a strong rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars from over 500 customers, indicating widespread satisfaction. The sign measures 12 by 7 inches, making it a modest but impactful size for the rooms like game rooms, bedrooms, or man caves. It is USB powered and mounted on a high-quality acrylic backboard with pre-drilled holes, allowing for easy installation. Users have praised the ease of hanging the sign, although some note that it does not come with a mounting chain, so alternative hanging methods like thumbtacks may be necessary. The design features a specific cloud shape with a soft red glow that creates a delightful and fairy tale-like ambiance, adding a colorful and interesting element to simple living spaces. The neon light includes 3 smart buttons, a middle button for switching the light on and off, and up and down buttons to adjust brightness from 10 to 100%. This brightness setting is memorized, so when the light is turned off and on again, it returns to the previous brightness level without needing to be reset manually. This feature is highly appreciated for convenience and customization of mood lighting. The light emits a vibrant red color that does not get hot, making it safe for extended use in various indoor settings. Customers have noted that the light is perfect for anime lovers and gamers, enhancing the atmosphere of their rooms without overwhelming the space due to its moderate size. It is also considered a great gift option for birthdays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, or housewarming events suitable for men, women, kids, and anyone who enjoys unique room decor. The product's build quality is generally regarded as durable and well-made, with packaging that protects the sign during shipping. Some users highlight that it is a great value for the price, delivering both aesthetic appeal and functional lighting. The sign's independent on-off switch on the plug adds to user convenience, allowing the light to be controlled without unplugging the USB cable. This feature, combined with the dimmable brightness, makes it versatile for different lighting preferences and times of day. While the size is a bit smaller than some might expect, it fits well in smaller spaces or as part of a larger decor setup. The Dleouly Anime Neon Sign is also available in multiple colors, though the red cloud design is the most popular and visually striking. Overall, this neon sign is a standout choice for those looking to brighten up their gaming or anime-themed spaces with a stylish, easy-to-use, and adjustable light source. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for purchase.